Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, white color, teal color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, red color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for duck. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for jump. K for kiwi. L for lotus. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quip. R for ring. S for store. T for tree. U for unicorn. V. V for vulture. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zip. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.